The future plastic alternative could be mushrooms. This fungus may be able to replace plastic parts for recreational goods, automobiles, and electronics. Another reason to like a fantastic mushroom is that you could be able to construct headphones, memory foam for shoes, or perhaps airplane exoskeletons using it in the future. Researchers recently investigated the technical potential of a particularly excellent mushroom, and found that it might be able to replace plastic in a number of applications. Using mushrooms instead of plastic could cut down on the mountains of waste humans create. Plastics made out of fossil fuels are actually really difficult to recycle and usually wind up cluttering landfills, landscapes, and waterways. Materials made with mushrooms, on the other hand, would be biodegradable and could be reused at the end of a product's life to make more of the same stuff. The focus of a recently published study is the fungus Fungi. It is incredibly capable of creating a wide range of materials with different properties, from sponge-like softness to hard, woody hardness. In an effort to make the mushroom a more sustainable part of human life, scientists are looking at its structural details. Nature does not just produce beautiful things because they are appealing, there must be a reason for them. As biologists, we were genuinely surprised by the structure because we know that when something that beautiful begins to form, nature doesn't just do it for the sake of beauty, there must be a reason for it. In the wild, Fungi might resemble a horse's hoof poking through a tree trunk. People have been using it as tinder to start fires for countless years. As a result, it has the names hoof fungus and tinder fungus. This fungus is remarkable because it has 3 layers, each of which has distinct characteristics that can be used in different situations. There is an extremely robust outer crust that may, for example, be used to make impact-resistant coatings for windshields. The layer below is soft and resembles leather. It is comfortable against the skin. The third deepest layer is the closest to wood. The study team used cutting-edge imaging techniques and mechanical strength testing to examine each layer and assess its potential applications. Packaging, fabrics, and building materials made from mushrooms are already gaining appeal. The team has already created a prototype for a pair of headphones using the mycelium, or thread-like structure, found in mushrooms. Mushrooms might one day be used to construct your home. Of course, it will be a long time before mushrooms take the place of plastic. They cannot be taken from forests since doing so would seriously harm the ecology. For the market, the mycelium would have to be mass-produced. Also, you might want to modify the fungus genome to highlight particular qualities. Also, more study and testing must be conducted to ensure that the final products hit the ideal balance between biodegradability and consumer-acceptable durability. It is hoped that products manufactured from mushrooms will eventually decompose instead of lasting indefinitely like a lot of plastic garbage. Even waste from the creation of fungi can be used as food, creating a closed-loop system that acts as a kind of standard for at least minimally boosting the sustainability of any consumer goods.